how the logistics are done for any of the company. Start from division, department, inventory, how items are placed in particular warehouses. Flipkart, we have different services like delivery. Data is getting handled in the supply chain domain. Schedule jobs runs, the Hadoop or HDFS.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it.
Good morning everyone. If you're new to the channel, my name is Smriti and I am a data analyst by profession. If you have visited this channel, you might have come to this channel through my first video, which is Day in the Life of a Data Analyst. So today I am going to make the part 2 of this video, which is work from home version. But not only this, I received many comments, many DMs, more than I think 500 DMs and comments, that what exactly is the roadmap for the data analyst job, and what exactly do I do as a data analyst in my job. So I'm just going to explain you today, along with while I'm working for office. Today is Friday. I am working from home today, so I have got ready and let's start the day. But before we start, I want to explain you that what exactly you are going to see in this video. I'm going to tell you what is the roadmap, as well as by the end of this video I'm going to tell you very interesting thing, and the way that you can become a data analyst if you're a fresher or you're transitioning your career or you have just completed your graduation. So without wasting the time, stay through the end of this video to see what exactly I have in for you, what exactly you can get it from this video, and how you can start your journey as a data analyst without wasting the time. It's already going to be 11. My office starts from 10:30 a.m. I have already logged in. So to explain the first thing first, what currently I'm working on, how my routine starts. My office starts from 10:30 a.m. and first thing that I do in the morning is to go through the emails if I have received any emails from the business end users. Usually I receive the email in the night, and the first thing in the morning that I see is that what are the mails that is pertaining to my projects or my work. And if I have received any mail from the business end users regarding some doubts, clarifications or needs or informations. So in case if I have the clarification for the doubt, if I have some information, I right away I just send out the email to them that okay, this is the information, this is what you can solve this issue. Otherwise, if there is a new requirement for suppose or some validation of the data, that I start to work on right now. So to start with, currently I'm working on 3 projects. Just to give you the idea, I'm a part of a supply chain data analytics team. And what exactly a supply chain data analyst do? So supply chain is mainly related to the shipment, warehouses, inventory, how the logistics are done for any of the company. I am working in a retail company, and so I deal with the warehouses, I deal with the items. If you know any of the e-commerce company, or if you might have worked on any project, you might be knowing that all the items in a retail company are divided into subsections. Like it start from division, departments, sub-departments, groups, lots, SKUs. So if you have ever noticed going to any supermarket, be it more if you're in Bangalore, or Reliance retail company or any of the company, they have this list of numbers which is called SKUs, and through that they determine okay, what item is that. And so that's how I deal with the items. We have the different sections and hierarchy of items, and that's how the items are divided. Now those items, how those are shipped, how the inventory is for those items in the warehouses. Warehouses are like the very big in acres of area, and then from the warehouses you ship those items via some logistic systems to .com. If you have a .com channel, .com I mean e-commerce website like Amazon or Flipkart, or you have a store. So for example, Nykaa also has the e-commerce website, which is nykaa.com, and Nykaa also has a store in different part of the cities. They are handling the store, which is a retail part, and they are handling the e-commerce part, which is we order through online. So I deal with that from warehouses. From particular warehouses, we have different set of warehouses in supply chain domain. For example, a warehouses which keeps only the items which is for the .com, like selling online. The warehouses which only keeps the item for the stores for retail, and for the warehouses which keeps the items which is getting imported from the different part of the world. So, and it gets distributed to different warehouses. All the warehouses are interconnected to each other, and that's how the items are divided. So now I deal with those kind of shipments, those kind of warehouses items, those kind of inventory, how items are placed in particular warehouses, what kind of warehouses those items are placed, carton related, because all the items are shipped in the cartons, and how the items are shipped to the store, how the item are shipped to customer via online channel, how the shipment is done. So if you have noticed, Flipkart, we have different services like delivery for Flipkart. Amazon has its own shipment criteria. So that's how the items are shipped. They keep track of each and every items. If you might have seen the invoice in the Amazon or Flipkart invoice, you might have seen the order number, shipment number, biller address. All these items are, all these data is getting stored in certain kind of table, which is big data. Because just imagine, we have like billions of population in India. We order multiple items on Flipkart or Amazon, and that's how the items are shipped. So just imagine what the size of the data would be. It could be in the million and billions of data for just for the certain days. And that's how the data is, that's how the data is getting handled in the supply chain domain. Because every shipment, all the customer details, all the biller details, all the supplier details from the items, the items get shipped to this warehouses, and from warehouses it gets shipped to the customer. So you might have heard that your item is coming from Haryana, your item is coming from Pune. So that's how those are the suppliers which ship the items to the Flipkart or Amazon facility, and from there the items are shipped to the customer, or directly. It could be a direct shipment also. That's how the items are shipped, that's how the shipment is done. That's what kind of data I deal with here. So I think you might have got the proper idea that what kind of data I deal. So the project that I'm currently working in is to suggest the business that how the items we can place in the warehouse. Suppose if the warehouse is for the .com business, and if the order are getting placed from the .com, like flipkart.com or amazon.in, so how we are shipping those items from the particular warehouse, how efficiently we can store those items in this different aisle, different we have different racks, how the items based on the sublot SKU. Please ignore the background noise. I have this lane here, and you will hear all kind of noises. We will suggest the business that how we can store the certain division of the items, certain sublot SKU of the items at certain locations, so that it will be very feasible for any of the person or any of the resource who are working in the warehouse. It will be feasible for them to just pick out those items and then ship it to the customer. That it looks very simple, but there are so many things which are involved. That items, if those items are currently on promotion, if suppose any sale is going on, what is the demand of this item? Because if any of the items, suppose any towel or any gym wear, any active wear, you might have seen that those are the few items which are like mostly sold on any website. So people, what they will try to do is they will keep those items in the front section of the warehouse, so that it will be very much feasible for them, for any resource, to just pick out those items and ready for the shipment. And that's how there are so many things which goes behind that. Few of the other things that currently I'm working on is, suppose if you already have some kind of report or data and which needs to be validated. Suppose if any of the data is not coming here, you might have seen, if you are already working as a data analyst, or if you don't know, so any of the company has some kind of legacy systems. Like they have this system where the system directly deals with the current data. Suppose if any of the, in the more supermarket or retail supermarket, you might have seen that whenever you go and you do the invoice, in the front of the system they will just do the billing. All those items which is currently live ongoing data, it gets stored in certain location or certain databases. But As a data analyst, we don't directly use that live databases. From those databases, every day on scheduled jobs runs, which takes those data every single day, and that's how there are so many things which goes behind that. uh, okay, few of the other things that currently I'm working on is to they are, suppose if we have already have some kind of report or data and which needs to be validated. Suppose if any of the data is not coming here, you might have seen, if you are already working as a data analyst, or if you don't know, so any of the company has some kind of through some kind of medium they store in the databases, which is like a through a data lake or any of the system. You might have heard about the Hadoop or HDFS or Oracle DB or any of such kind of DB, which is kind of a metadata which stores the copy of the data in that location, and we access that location. We don't directly access the live location. That's how we are accessing. Now different company uses different databases like Hadoop, Amazon Redshift, and many cloud storages that we access, and we fetch those data through a UI. We write the query and we tell the databases, okay, this is the query, fetch me this data for this particular date. And currently I'm working on validating some data, which is like data is in millions. Always just remember, data is in millions and billions of rows, and out of that you just filter out few of the data and you see that okay, how the data is coming up, how it is different from the legacy system, the live database. On the third project I'm working on is the item which is currently in the warehouses, from which location, from which particular location an item is getting sold, what is the very good location to store the item, which is feasible for the resource to reach out, and sharing my insights with the business end users who are actually there in the present in the warehouse, and they are using this data to understand how better we can store those items in the warehouse, at what location. These are the currently 3 projects that I'm working on. I think I have given you the enough information. Right now it's 11:18 a.m. and I am going to work on the validation of the data, and I'll get back to you soon. From our end, uh, given the complete information regarding the validation. Have a good day, all. Have a happy weekend. So, just completed with my daily huddle. Right now it's 12:25. I have done one of my tasks and sent out the email, and now is the time to work on the few other tasks that I have aligned for the day. Need to connect with my other team member to discuss further on that. For now, I'm going to take a break for half an hour. So I'm going to prepare some lunch. Catch you guys again. So I had my breakfast. It's already 1:18. I couldn't shoot again as currently I'm working on the dashboard. I'm just trying to find out the more ways to optimize the dashboard in a such a way that it could help the business and users in effective manner. So there is no hard and fast rule that you need to follow certain criteria or certain formulas. So what I'm currently doing is I'm just searching and navigating through the YouTube videos that how I can reach certain criteria, certain desired results. What are the methods that I can use that I might not be aware of in Tableau? There are so many formulas. If you know that Tableau, that we have LOD functions, we have calculated fields, we have quick table calculations. So trying to find out methods to filter out the data from the given data source and to get the desired result. That's what I'm trying to search here in news. Let me just show you. I'm searching on the YouTube that how I can use the group contact function in the Tableau. Uh, I have achieved this, but I'm not still getting the desired result that I want to get. Figure out that what could be the other methods that I can use optimize my views and dashboards in the Tableau. Welcome back, guys. It's already going to be 4. I've had my lunch. I couldn't shoot much because I was working on the same thing, trying to find out the solution how to optimize the dashboard. Luckily, I think this time it might be done, and I'm going to send it to the end user, and we'll wait for the feedback how it comes up. Right now, my plan is to take some break. Furthermore, I'm going to share with you what I was talking about regarding the kickstarting your career into data analytics. I have collaborated with one of the company called CloudyML. So this company has been opened by a group of people who had been working in the IT field for many years, and they have started this company especially for the data science, data analytics, and data engineering field. Many comments that I have received in my DM or on the YouTube channel, you guys were asking about that. Can I trust this institute? I'm going to share my screen and show it to you that how exactly the website looks like, what perks that you have, you will get it here that you might not be getting it somewhere else. And there are few unique things which I have found, like they will help you with the placement assistance, not just as a group of students but one-on-one. They will help you to build your resume, your profile, by giving you the individual courses, projects related to your course. They will help you to build the resume as per your projects. They will help you to promote those profiles, your profile, to the companies that they have tied up with, and also the students that they have. So here I am going to share this screen and show it to you that how exactly it is going to look, what you can do with this. This is the website that they have, is cloudyml.com, and he's the CEO and founder of CloudyML, Akash. Once you will reach this website, you can log in, register here, or you can go ahead and check out the other courses, courses that they have. First thing first, if you want to understand that how exactly you can learn from this, if you have any doubt, you can always book a one-on-one personal doubt clearance call and career counseling with them. If you have any doubt, or you can also enroll for a one-day trial course. You will get to know that what course that they have, which course that you are interested to. You can enroll for the one-day trial period, and you can avail all the benefits and perks that they have. So here are the few popular packages that they have, which is one of that is Data Superstar, which includes all the data science, data analytics, and data engineering course, name as Superstar. Second one is Data Science and Analytics, specifically towards understanding the data science and analytics part of the career. Next, they have Data Engineering course. You will learn more towards the database side of the information, like Apache Spark, Hadoop related. They also have the specific small course like machine learning ops course, or any prompt engineering for all. But today I'm going to specifically mention about these 3, how exactly you can benefit from this. If you want to enroll individually just for the data science and analytics course, you can do that. If you just want to get into the data engineering side of the career, you can enroll to this course. Otherwise, Data Superstar, I think, is the one of the benefits, because you can get into any career, data science, data analytics, or data engineering, whatever the option that you get in the market, or through your resume, you can enroll for this. And the good part is they only have this 20,000 fees. I'll get back to this later, but here are the few unique features that they have. First one is hands-on learning. You will have access to all the assignments and projects that they have. They will start the classes from basic of the basic. If you are very much newbie to the data science or data analytics field, you will start with MS Excel, moving towards the SQL, writing the select star query, how you can write the query in the SQL, or you can move towards any of the visualization tool like Tableau or Power BI, things like that, to just build a proper confidence in yourself that you can, yeah, you can get into this and you can really learn this complete data analytics or data science part of the course. So you will have this hands-on practical learning experience through assignments and projects for proper confidence building. Why this is required? Because just learning the course will not be enough until you have hands-on experience on certain projects or assignments. You will know that how industry is currently working, what industrial based projects are, how you will deal with the data or any of the projects that you will be getting in once you are placed in any of the companies. Next one is the get one-on-one personal chat support, doubt clearance every day, which is from 6 p.m. to 12 p.m. midnight, including weekends. What could be better than this? So any of the people who are currently working and want to transition their career into data science or data analytics or data engineering part, we all know that we come back from the office and we don't have enough time during the day. So that's why they have this option that every single day they have this one-on-one chat support where you can share the screenshot of your doubt while solving any questions, any assignments or any projects, and you can directly chat with your instructor and they will help you with your doubts, that too including weekends. But apart from that, they also have this from 8 p.m. to 9 p.m. they have this live classes, live Zoom session with everyone, where you can also connect with the teaching assistants or your instructor every single day in the live session, and you can clear your doubts over that there also. Apart from that, this is the one of the best benefits that any of the institute can give, and this teaching assistance will be available to you even though you have completed a course, and you will have the lifetime access to the LMS portal as well. Both of these things are the one of the top perks that I can see, and are the few things that they can help you with. Apart from that, they have this industrial internship where you will be having the hands-on experience on the projects from the industries that they're working on. You will get the certification, you will have the lifetime access to the LMS portal, you have job hunting techniques where they will help you to they will give you the projects to build your profile, they will help you to add those projects in your resume, and they will promote your profile to the companies that they have tied up with, or the students who are currently working in the other companies, which they will help you with the referral. And they are like self-paced courses also, where you can enroll to. You can obviously book the career counseling with them and ask as many questions as you can to solve that. What are you getting from this? You can download the course brochure from here to check the complete syllabus that they have. From the Data Superstar, they have combined courses like data science and analytics topics that they have, data engineering topics, industrial end-to-end projects, and then at the last they have this job hunting topics. From the data science analytics, we all know that what are the tools and technologies that we need to learn, including SQL, Python, maths and statistics, Tableau, Power BI, MS Excel, language, Kaggle optimization course that they have. Many projects, I've already told you about many projects are available on Kaggle that you can take up and you can have the work on experience. From the data engineering topics that they have is big data and Hadoop, MapReduce, Hive. So these all are related to how to handle the big data, how big data is getting transferred from here and there, what are the best and optimized way to handle the meta. From the industrial based projects, they have this, and that too from end to end. They have this machine learning and deep learning projects, data analytics projects, data engineering projects. They also will help you with the job hunting topics, like they will help you to build your LinkedIn profile, they will help you to build your resume, they will help you to have the online job searching hacks from the job portals. They have this HR round, they will have the demo session for the your interviews. They also have the general aptitude if you are a fresher. They also have this recorded mock interview videos where you can go through and you can prepare yourself for the interview. These are the perks that they have, and the amount is just 20,000 rupees. Apart from this, if you're enrolled with my coupon, on the bottom of the screen I'll mention down here the coupon code. If you use, you will get 500 rupees off from this 20,000 excluding GST. So for the GST again you will get some off. I think this is the one of the best courses and website that I have come across, because I haven't had the privilege to get such kind of assistance in my career. But I have done this research and I have had enough sessions with them just to understand that how their website works. If you want, you can enroll it for the data science and analytics project, which will cost you around 12,000. Again, you can apply my coupon code here and you will get some 500 discount. And they have other course like data engineering. If you just want to know about data and get into the data engineering part, you can enroll for this course. Again, this is also around 12,000. So all in all, I hope this video might have helped you. If you have any questions related to the cloudy ML and courses, any assistance related things, you can reach out to me via comment section, or you can DM me. You can also mail me on my business email and I'll try to respond to you as much as possible. Any clarification that you have related to this course or data analytics job related course, comment down below and I'll try my best to help you with that. Also, if you are new to this channel, if this is your first video, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like the video, share with your friends and families, whoever wants to get into data analytics field. And I'm sure this video is going to help a lot to them regarding the course and understandings. I hope this day in the life of a data analyst part 2 work from home version would have helped you, how my day looks like. Though it has not ended, still I have few works to do. If you are not following me on my Instagram, please follow there as well, because I'm very much active. So if you have any questions, DM me on my Instagram or comment down below, so that if you have any doubts and if I answer your questions, other will also might get help from that. Thank you so much for tuning in today, and I hope you have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.
Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true.